Hey there, it's Trisha with Easy Emini Trade, and I'm going to do a quick video on support and resistance. And I will be doing a webinar on Friday, March 4th at 2 p.m. Eastern. If you can't attend real time, no worries, I'll be recording it. But I think it's really important that if you want to take your trading to the next level, you have to be looking at more than just a setup and taking an entry. You have to make some decisions on whether you even want to take that entry. So on Friday, I'm going to show you how you can use support and resistance to your advantage. And like I said, it will definitely take your trading to the next level if you can get really proficient at picking those areas out. So this is a 5-minute chart. It doesn't really matter what chart you're looking at to come up with support and resistance. The bigger the chart, the more likely those areas will be to hold. What you're going to find with support and resistance is that those areas repeat over and over and over again. And so let me just give you a quick look here. This is ES, and this is a 60-minute chart. And what I do is I'll put the volume profile on my chart. You can see it here in blue, but I'll put it on for the week. So as each day progresses, this is building up larger and larger for the volume for the entire week. So now tomorrow being Monday, well, later today when Monday's day starts, it'll start with a brand new one. But how this is helpful is the volume profile is telling you where the high volume areas are, and that's helpful because wherever you have these high volume nodes sticking out, that's telling you that a lot of time and volume was spent in that area. And what creates support and resistance is those same areas repeatedly holding and holding, right? So with each time, that volume is building up, each time it's spending some time at that price level. Now, I always put the prior day's high, low, and close on here as well, but let's just give you an idea what I'm talking about. So this is last week. So what day is this? So that's from last Sunday when the market first opened. Now, if you look back here at last Friday, you can see this orange line here. That was the low from the previous day. And I'm just going to go ahead and mark that so you can see looking to the left here. So here's from Friday last week right there. Then you'll see on Sunday when it opened, or actually the end of the day, Friday, you can see coming back up and hitting that area and holding right here as resistance. Then Sunday it opens up. You can see price trading all around that area, holding as support and resistance, right? Trying to get through, can't get through, holding, right? Hit, hold, holding, holding, finally gets through, comes back down, and then it gets through, right? Now, if you look at Friday, you can see right when price got to that same area again, there it is getting stuck in those same areas. You're going to find that over and over and over again. So here, this yellow line, that would be the close from last Friday, right? Because this is last Monday, okay? So I have the prior day's high, low, and close on here. So this yellow is Friday's close, and I'm just going to put a line there because what's going to happen is this area will be a relevant area, right? So here on Monday, last Monday when we're trading, we have it marked from Friday's close. But after Monday's over, then on Tuesday, it's going to give us Monday's close, right? So here's this area of support and resistance. And then you can see here on Tuesday, struggling in that same spot, right? Trying to get through. Can't. It can't. It can't. It can't, right? And what I mean by that is you can see the tails, right? Trading through it, pulling right back and closing under it. Trying to get through it, pulling right back, closing underneath. Again and again, right? Then here, the next day, the 23rd, struggling in that same spot again, and it winds up being the high of the day for the 23rd. And then here we are yesterday. Not hitting it exactly, but you can see it struggling here. I say yesterday, but it's Friday, excuse me. You can see it struggling on this candle, and then at the end of the day, it manages to get through. So the point I'm trying to make is that these areas are repeatable. no matter when price finds its way back to these spots, these areas are going to hold up, regardless of if it's a day from now, a week from now, a month from now. And I'm going to show you how you can use those areas during the webinar as target areas, stop areas, and as decision areas. Like, do you even want to take the trade? That is always the question, right? So this is a 5-minute chart on ES. You can see on the 5, it's a little easier to plot and see those areas of confluence. We're just looking for an area where price is struggling. Doesn't matter to me if it's the high or the low or the open or the close. I'm just looking for confluent areas of where price is having difficulty. And here is a 15-minute chart from on ES from Friday. So again, just a different view, but you're going to be able to see the same areas of struggle repeatedly. And why this matters is I can mark this on my 15-minute chart, right? And then come Monday when I start to trade, I'll know when I'm taking a trade if I'm taking it into an area of support. Because if I'm taking a short, do I want to take a short while literally right below me I have support, right? If there's not enough room, I may choose to pass. If I don't pass on it, then at least I'm going into the trade with my eyes wide open, knowing that I'm taking this trade in an area where I may not be able to get through. And I will elaborate on this in great detail on Friday, but you are missing out if you are not going into each trade asking yourself, where is support and where is resistance? If I take this trade, can I be profitable? Is there enough room? Can I use one of those areas as my stops, etc.? Okay, you guys, like I said, I will elaborate more. Hope you have a great day.